All right, hello, hello, hello. This is your Traded Crypto channel coming at you. What is it? January 25th, 2021. All right, so it's been about a week since I've done a stream. I just needed to recharge my batteries. The holidays got at me, and then all the political tension and just crypto. I just needed a break. Wasn't feeling like doing anything, which I apologize if anybody is actually watching me. Um, But yeah, so Bitcoin's trading at 32,205. We're a consolidation channel. Um, Bitcoin had a really crazy good run. I'm not expecting it to go to 50K tomorrow or a week from now. It's probably going to be like something that happens like early spring into February to March. We're going to be consolidating. That's what's going to happen. We've created this channel. Whoops. And where'd we go? There we go. Yeah, we've created this channel, and some people are saying it looks like a descending triangle. I see it as like a bear flag or a bull flag. So maybe we bounce in here, come on back down to 27, 26, 27, which I'm expecting. And that's when I'll probably start setting up some longer term long positions. I'm in a long position right now. I've been taking some profits, but I just don't see. This isn't where the money is going to be made right now. Money's going to be in alts. Ethereum has been killing it. The altcoins are running. It's alt season basically. Whoops, keep on hitting that. So that's what's going on. There's the weekly. So bull market. We gotta look for the bull market support's going to be the 21 EMA or SMA, depending who you talk to. I just go with one of the other EMAs, fine. So that's currently at 22,800. That's totally admirable. Like, that's a really great number. Like, if we get a bad crash or something, that's probably where we'd hit. See, we're basically creating this flag. Like I said, it's kind of a bull flag, but we might kind of dip down and test the 21 and have a fake out and come back up, or it just might be like a longer drawn out thing over the next month or so. These are weekly candles, so that gives us a few more candles. By then, the 21 week will have caught up. So things are fine. Don't listen to too much FUD. Don't freak out. It's just the momentum is not with Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, all that money is basically dripping down into the Ethereum and the other altcoins, and from Ethereum it'll go down to the mid caps, and from the mid caps to the high caps, is what a lot of people are saying, and it's kind of a cycle, right? To take another look, yeah, so this is the Heikin-Ashi chart on Crypto Watch, which will show you a few things. I want to show you one thing. These two lines right here and here is the stock to flow chart. We'll likely come on up here and come over the top of the stock to flow like we did in 2020. I'm looking minimally conservatively 100,000, 150 to 200,000 is very possible in the next year or so, and it's gonna probably happen quick. I think it'll happen quick. But see, we have one red candle in the Heikin-Ashi so far in this bull market. You look at the previous bull market in 2017. All the consolidation patterns had 2 to 3 red candles following each of the runs. So we need to expect that this consolidation period is going to extend. So say, for example, this would suck, but maybe this is us and we've had one candle so far. Maybe we have another red candle and we kind of consolidate and then we pull back down. Unlikely that it would be this long of a one. It'd probably be something more like this, but just something to note, when you have a weekly doji candle that extends all the way up and all the way down, that creates a trading channel, and it's safe to say that that's where you'll probably remain for a while. when it's on a weekly like that. And that's what happened. Like, it kind of just stayed in this area and then finally broke out. I don't think that's kind of the situation. We're probably looking more like a situation like this. Right in here or here. Yeah. So we'll probably have, another red candle. We'll go down to the 27K, maybe 25K. 20K could be a retest, but that would, if we go all the way to 20K and retest, 100K might be the max for this bull run. I think that would take a lot of our energy and our momentum out of this bull market. I think like if we go all the way up to 20K, that's right in here. It's going to take a lot of energy to pull it back up. It would scare people, and I just don't think that it needs to maintain above the 24 or the 21 week moving average. So Bitcoin's consolidation, just how it is. My big plays, I'm looking at Ethereum, Link, Litecoin. Litecoin, I've been doing some research and stuff, and they're working with Cardano. Spark token drop. They're going to do a drop with Litecoin now. They did the XRP drop. Now they're going to do a Litecoin drop, which I'm trying to figure out the date and all of that on that so far, like what it's going to be and what wallets are supporting it. I imagine CELCIUS Wallet will support that as well, which is great because I hold a lot of Litecoin on there too, so I'll have a ton of Spark tokens. Hopefully. But it probably will cost in taxes. Theta Network is doing really well. Like, there were some really big altcoins running. Blockchain stocks are coming back down to support. They've retraced about 30%, 30 to 40%. They might go to 50 or 60%. But they're good buys. They're starting to become good buys again. I'm just hodling them. Stock market's just been kind of going crazy and overheating. And I don't know what's going to happen policy-wise. If we get the stimulus, obviously gold and silver will run along with Bitcoin and altcoins. But I think that $1,400 stimulus, it's just, you would think that with everything democratic that they would give it out quick. But I think it's going to be contentious and something we don't get till spring or something. If we get it at all. These people are liars. They're all liars. They're all pathetic, and I hate it. I'm not saying anyone's right or wrong. It's just like, they're politicians. They only care about themselves, pretty much. That's all they care about. And they're just going to do whatever they do. Whatever the deep state wants them to do, whoever these people are. Anyway, whatever the lobbyists want. Amazon, Bezos. They just want them happy. That's why we need crypto. We need to get power back to the people. This is this is the only thing that's going to restore our rights of humanity. Privacy, rights to privacy, and we never officially had that right, I guess, but it's kind of assumed right. But that's been taken away from us, and freedom of speech, freedom, even religion, even the right to think something differently or to tweet or something, just an opinion. You get, you're getting silenced by Zuckerberg and Twitter. Like, who are these people? And it wouldn't matter. Like, there is that argument that, you sign up to that platform, but the thing is, social media now is a necessity, kind of like email, like having a cell phone or a computer. Like, if you don't have social media, you are at a severe disadvantage to everybody else. If you're going to be a musician, if you're going to be an artist, if you're going to be a business person, you have to operate with social media. And if you get silenced, you're being alienated, and it's not right. It's not right. And it's going to be really interesting to see what happens. And crypto is going to be in the middle of that. I think it's what's going to help answer a lot of our issues. Ranting a little bit, but this is just crazy, and I'm sick of it. That's part of the reason why it's been a week or so since I've been on here. You look at the RSI, it's really beautiful, honestly. Like, this is a great sign of the bull market. We had the overextended RSI just like we have here. We're coming down. I bet we do something like this. Come down, consolidate. See, we're already having a little bounce, and we come back down again one more time. That'll be where we meet up with the 21 week. I bet. I really, I mean, yeah, 30K is great support. 27, 28, probably another wick. And then we'll come back up and we'll ride that for a couple more weeks, and then we'll pop back up to 50K. 50K by spring for sure. Unless something crazy happens. But yeah, I mean, just a little. If you want to look at this, I mean, how many peaks did we have above the RSI in the last bull market? Take a look. So we'll be conservative here. Let's say this one is this one, and this one's this one. So maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more rises in the RSI. Let's be even more conservative. Let's see if we just have 3 more. Say we have 1. We have a spring peak. Fall back down for a month. Midsummer, late summer peak. Fall back down. Then maybe we have 1 more for Christmas. Then bull market or bear market's going to be in. However you want to play it, but it's going to be something like that, probably. It's not going to be so uniform, And, regulation, I think, is going to come pretty hard. And that's what's going to scare us into the next bear market. Regulation on DeFi and privacy coins. It's a scare right now, but it's kind of a scare in the back of the mind. And, the new administration and Janet Yellen and all these new people, they're scrambling, trying to figure out what they're going to do, how much money they're going to make, and how they're going to screw everybody. But they're not going to figure out how to screw everybody until, fall next year. So it takes time. These things take time. But the next bear market will probably be pretty bad, 70, 80% retrace. I imagine 60 to 70. I mean, we'll have institutions are back in now, but I think it will be hell to pay on some of these altcoins. It might hurt a lot of them. We will see. Anyway, I don't know what else to really talk about. Gold and silver is just doing terrible. I mean, the gold charts today, I mean, it's just Bitcoin's doing better than all of that. XRP is pulling back pretty hard. I wonder what's going to happen with them with this stuff next month. It's pretty uneventful. I mean, I think XRP is getting delisted on stuff, but they were never really listed on anything last bull market, and they still made it to $3. I mean, they'll still. XRP will still exist to some degree. I guess they could just totally kill it, but pretty unlikely. The privacy coins, they haven't been doing too well. I'm just kind of wondering how they're going to fare in the long run. I mean, we're going to need them the United States. Yeah, some countries might just completely say you can't use them, but being a U.S. citizen and whatnot, people want to go buy their cigarettes and their alcohol without someone knowing about it, without the government on their butt about it. People are going to want in the free world privacy coins, and there's going to be there's going to be court cases, and there's going to be all kinds of nastiness about it probably. So it's going to be contentious, and that's what I think. All that contention is going to probably come at the end of this year. So that's what I kind of think. Anyway, just hang in there. I think Ethereum is the big guy running right now. And I guess real quick, I just want to look at it. It's overextended on the RSI. Everybody's calling for a $2,500, $3,000 Ethereum, and I wanted to do what everyone thinks it's going to do, but the fact of the reality is it's overextended on the RSI. It's already pulled back. And it's making an ascending wedge, which is just bearish. So if it comes up here and falls down, we could fall down to the 800 region very easily. And it would still be bullish, but I think that could happen. Maybe we go down for a couple weeks and then pull up. A similar thing happened to Bitcoin in the last bull run. It went to the all-time high, pulled back, and then kind of chopped around a bit and went back down a fair amount, and then kept going. So, yeah, either we go up or we go down. But either way, we're still in a bull market, so I'm just not convinced it's going to break up like everyone else. It seems like everyone thinks it's going to break up, and we're also getting bearish diversions. This is going up while this is going down. That's on the daily, so think what you will. Anyway, that's it for me and my rant today. Yeah, you guys have a good night, and catch you on the flip side.